What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to install these LED bulb tail lights to my BMW E60 right over there, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so in order for you to get access to your tail lights, you're gonna have to pop 1 and 2 of these plastic screws out. You can just get flathead and you can literally just pry it out. Guys, so once you have that removed, you're gonna go ahead, turn this knob right there and pull these wires in order for you to get access to the bulb. And this right here is your tail light bulb. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the new bulb and try to put this in. All right guys, so as you can see, the new bulb is in, and I'm just put it in. And boom, there it is, guys. So both of the LED lights are in, and that's how it looks from the side. Please excuse my dirty car, I haven't washed it in a while, but overall it looks fine. But you can't really tell the difference right now because the sun is out. Alright guys, so that was a little short video of me showing you guys how to replace your BMW E60's tail lights. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more future videos, and peace out.